Hello everybody, quick tutorial about Kahoot. Check it out. If you see this message when creating a Kahoot, upgrade to host this Kahoot or save to drafts, start free trial, it's probably due to this. You might have premium questions, so click on continue editing and check out on your questions if there is anyone marked with a star, like here. You see this question, it's premium, it's set here. So you can remove it, and that's it. Your Kahoot will be available to save, play, and everything. Check it out, when adding questions, only quiz and true or false are free. These other questions are only included with premium plans. Okay? Okay, see you next time.